Class 8. Next topic we were going to study was floating liquids. So, as we have already discussed, that if we put any substance, any material or object on a surface of a liquid, if the density of the object is less than the density of the liquid, then it will float, and if it is greater than the density of the liquid, it will sink. So same is the case with liquids. If the density of uh, the liquid which we pour on some other liquid, or you say out of the two liquids, the density of whichever liquid is less, that will float on the other liquid. You might have seen that if you put say mustard oil on water, if you put few drops of oil on water, what happens? The oil keeps on floating on the surface of water. Or if you put some kerosene on water, it will also keep on floating on the surface of water. So these are the things that show that the density of oil is less than the density of water. But there are some liquids which mix readily with water. That means they as soon as you put the one liquid into another, they just mix together, they don't stay away. So in those cases it is difficult to measure the density. For example, if you put milk in water, what happens? Milk suddenly starts mixing into it. It won't keep make a layer on it. Okay, it will suddenly start mixing. So in such cases it is difficult to examine, but still milk has a greater density than water. So these are the exceptions. Then the next topic is density of matter in the three states. As you can understand, there the density of solids is greater, because this we have studied also earlier, that because solid is very tightly packed, the particles in solid are very tightly packed, and in liquid they are loosely packed. So that means liquid is less denser than solids, and in gases they are more loosely packed. So gases will be even much less denser. So density of solids should be greater than liquids, and density of liquids should be greater than gases. But there are exceptions in this also. So you need to remember these exceptions, that the density of mercury, which is a liquid, is greater than aluminium, copper and iron. Okay, that is why see here the table shows the density of mercury is 13.59 and density of iron is 7.87. So it is much greater than that of iron. Then bromine, it is a liquid, but its density is greater than aluminium and sulfur. So these are exceptions. But in general, the density of solid is greater than liquid, and it is greater than gases.